Hello, my name is Roger Fu. I'm one of the co-chairs of the Keystone Cardiovascular Epigenetics and Gene Regulation Conference, which is coming up in Hannover in Germany in April, the 15th to the 18th. So for a time now, the cardiovascular research community has been going deeper and deeper into gene regulation control. So it's been really exciting putting this program together, getting all of the key experts and latest research studies around exactly this area: epigenetic, gene expression, gene programs, cell states, all around cardiovascular disease. So this meeting stands out from other cardiovascular meetings in the field, exactly because we are focused all around epigenetics as the key term, the way that the gene programs in cells are controlled, be that using chromatin regulation, using RNA, using understanding of histones, DNA regulatory elements. This is the unique point about this conference that we're really excited about. In recent times, we've become really quite aware of the different cell states that all of the different cell types that the heart and the vascular wall undergoes during disease process, and even in processes that might be leading towards cardiac regeneration. And especially at the moment now, even how cell states are controlled in situations of metabolic stress, obesity, and all of the revelation that's come with how chromatin architecture is involved with gene expression control. So at this moment now, this is the new stuff that we're going to be able to see in this conference coming. The exciting part, I think, is to imagine from the past how we would be able to use what we find in the lab and taking it to clinic. And we're already now beginning to see that some of these angles of cell states, gene expression control, going exactly into biotech and potentially going to give us new drugs for treating medicine. The keynote speaker, Wolf Reich himself, now in Altos Labs, he's going to be our big talk right in the beginning of the conference. And already from him, we're going to see how, and his title of his talk called Cardiac Rejuvenation, how this angle of epigenetics and gene regulation control is actually really driving towards treating patients potentially in a very inspirational way going forward. Keystone is the perfect situation for young researchers to have the opportunity exactly to meet big authors, actually even very young authors themselves, of papers that they're reading in publications. The setting is, I guess, what some people call is intimate. We are not a huge conference like some of the really big ones in cardiac fields. Because it's a small enough conference, you really get to sit down at lunch, at breakfast, and there is a lot of interactions. There's a lot of opportunity to, beyond the sessions themselves, to talk to each other. And in the time of that week, I think we're going to have, so in my experience as a postdoc growing up attending Keystone, this is the best time in that 1 week in the year to actually meet with fellow researchers in the same field. It's going to be really exciting. Yeah, I'm really excited that this is not a usual spot for a conference. I don't think a lot of us would have come to this place, a palace in Hannover, before. The speakers themselves are coming from really all corners of the world, that we have speakers even from the industry, from the biotech companies. So I think we really will hear a lot of diverse conversations and interaction in this coming conference. Who should attend? Young trainees, mid-career, early career, and come and listen to all these wonderful, exciting talks. A lot of unpublished work. So again, you get to hear it here before the papers actually appear. It's a must come for someone working in epigenetics today in cardiovascular field.